So I did a thing. I listed the Corvette for sale last night, and today somebody messaged me and wants to come buy it tomorrow. So theoretically this is the last drive in the Corvette. What the things I do for cars. So potentially the car will be gone tomorrow, and then we will be Corvette-less. So we didn't even have it quite 5 months, and we definitely didn't get to enjoy it with the top down in the summer months. So kind of sad to see it go, but I did get to experience the mid-engine C8. So let's go for one last drive here and relish the few hours we have left with it. Alright guys, last drive in the C8. Boxster out. We just put the new exhaust on the Boxster, so if you haven't watched that exhaust video, check the description below for that. But the Boxster is still one of my favorite cars, and that's a convertible as well. So do we really need two convertibles? I don't know. It was nice having the hardtop convertible that's basically like a coupe. V8 is a nice addition as well. 500 horsepower compared to the Boxster's 270. A little difference there. So, but you know, we'll probably be shopping for something new to add to the collection. So stay tuned for what comes next to the channel for sure. But in the meantime, we're going to take my favorite back roads here one last time, and I think we should probably get in one last launch control in this fastest 0 to 60 car I've ever owned, for sure. Under 3 seconds, 0 to 60, pretty epic. So I sold this thing on Facebook Marketplace. I listed it last night for $105,000, which I thought was, you know, pretty high, a pretty high asking price. Thinking I wouldn't sell it right away, and had a guy that's a couple hours away over close to Des Moines, Iowa, message me about it. He was really interested. He wanted to offer $95,000 to start, and that was not even close. So we weren't doing 95. And I said lowest I would go is 102,000. And he came back at 100, and at that point I really didn't even want to sell it. So I'm just like, I'm sticking to 102 if you want it. And he comes back and is like, I'll take it. So then I had to start thinking about, I'm actually selling this tomorrow. So it's not officially gone until the money's in the bank tomorrow, but it sounds pretty legit. See if he shows up in the morning to pick it up, and then we will be on to the next car. So as you guys know, I actually paid a markup on this brand new. So I was not going to give this thing away. So I had to have a little room in there. So at $102,000, I will be making about a $5,000 profit off this whole thing. So not the big $20,000 profit that some guys are making that have bought them for MSRP, but being able to have 5 months with the C8 Corvette for free and make a little money towards the next purchase, we'll call that a win. So leave a comment down below to let let me know if you think I'm crazy. My wife definitely thinks I am. But by now she's somewhat figured out that any car that comes to the garage may have a short life. May not last very long, so. But for me, I don't know what it is, but the hunt for the next car is almost more enjoyable for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, if I had all the money in the world, I would definitely have quite a few cars stacked up in a nice big garage if I could. Yeah, and you guys have any ideas on what we should buy next? You can leave the comment down below for that as well. I don't know if I'm going to go back to a GT350, because I definitely didn't get to experience that long enough. Dare I say, if I found the perfect GT350, that'd be a long-term vehicle. I don't know what long-term looks like in my garage, but I say long-term, but we'll see. And then there's always maybe a regular 911. I mean, I went straight to the GT3 when we had the 911 before, and never really experienced the normal 911. It's just, everything's just so crazily high priced right now, so it'll be tough to decide what to buy. I want to buy something that's not going to lose a lot of value when the market goes back to normal, and so we got to find something that's a little more unique. Alright guys, we've got it in competitive mode with track mode on. We're ready for our last launch control in the C8, so let's hang on for one last ride. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Man, that thing can launch. That is quite a ride. That never gets old, I'm telling you. That was 3.0 seconds, 0 to 60 per that little timing there. So it can do under 3 seconds, guys. But man, I'm gonna miss that pickup for sure. That is a special car for sure. Well guys, that about does it for the last drive in the C8 convertible. It's definitely a sad moment, but we will definitely be back with something different. May not be quite as cool as a brand new Corvette, but it'll definitely be fun. So stay tuned to the channel for that. And if you guys haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, even though it's a super sad video, I know. And subscribe if you haven't, and have a good one, guys. Well, guys, here's the last cold startup on the C8.